truck driver with no prior political experience has defeated one of the most powerful Democrats in New Jersey.
He is Republican Edward Durr, and he has won the District 3 Senate seat over incumbent Steve Sweeney, the state Senate president. Now, that district includes parts of Gloucester and Cumberland counties, as well as all of Salem County. Durr is a commercial truck driver, and he spent just $153 on his entire campaign. Sweeney has led the state Senate since 2010.
Hello, my name is Edward Durr. I'm running for New Jersey State Senate. I've lived here all my life, raising my 3 kids. In 2020, my opponent sat by and watched as Governor Murphy forced nursing homes to take in COVID-19 patients, resulting in the death of over 8,000 of our seniors. He remained silent as Governor Murphy, with his lockdown and mandates, forced the closing of over 1/3 of our small businesses, costing New Jersey family thousands of jobs. He has done nothing, as 7 out of every 10 moves are leaving the state, placing a heavier burden on those of us who remain. The Senate President has spent 20 years in Trenton. Higher taxes, increasing debt, and a rising cost of living. We deserve better. New Jersey, it's time for a change. So together, let's end single-party rule. Vote for me, Edward Durr, for Senate. New Jersey, it's time for a change.